I brought my best friend, Paul, here
Yes.
to sing a song. We're going to sing a song for you today. A Joni Mitchell song called Both Sides Now, which the lyrics of which are devastatingly brilliant. And it's a song that we really love, and Paul and I wanted to sing it for you. So here's Both Sides Now by Joni Mitchell. Rows and flows of angel hair and ice cream castles in the air and feather canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's clouds' illusions that I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way that you feel when every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at love that way, but now it's just another show. You leave 'em laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let 'em know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from give and take, and still somehow it's love's illusions that I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Dreams and schemes and circus clowns, I've looked at life that way. Oh, but now old friends, they're acting strange. They shake their heads and they tell me that I've changed. Well, something's lost, but something's gained by living every day. I've looked at life from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's life's illusions that I recall. I really don't know life at all. Thank you for spending another entire year. I'm trying to talk here, honey. Thanks for spending another year with us. And we want to thank you guys so much. And we want to thank specifically Patricia Downey for your beautiful bag of pecans that you gave me. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Beautiful, and they're delicious. I actually eat them by the handful, just right out of the bag. They're fantastic. And we also want to thank Rhonda Doré. We're thinking it's Doré, which means golden, because there's a slight accent. If I'm saying it wrong, it's just a pen mark. Oh dear.
Now you broke the art.
Oh gosh. If I'm saying it wrong, Rhonda, I'm sorry, but thank you for your beautiful card, and thank you for your Texas trash recipe. And thank you everybody who sent us things and beautiful notes and letters and all the help with the Christmas show and everything that you guys did. And happy New Year, and we have so much more for you in 2026 coming right up. These are the two Happy New Year dogs.
They've been drinking a little. They're a little drunk. They're a little hungover.
Happy New Year!